Get ready for shorthand dictation 5 seconds. Start. I am directed to address you on the subject noted above and to say that for proper appreciation of the government policy and due implementation of the instructions issued in connection therewith stop. It is very essential for all the departments and the employees concerned with various subjects to keep themselves abreast of the instructions of the government, the relevant rules and regulations issued by government from time to time stop. But it has been noticed that proper care is not taken to maintain the instructions so as to be readily available as and when they are needed to deal with the cases pertaining thereto stop. Consequently, the policy instructions, howsoever laudable the purpose thereof may be, are lost sight in just after a lapse of short period from the date of the issue, and gradually the important policy instructions slip out of the memory, which results not only in wrong processing of the cases but unnecessary tossing thereof, leaving apart the erroneous decisions which this slipshod method ultimately results into stop. This is a serious matter to which all the employees concerned are required to pay attention so that delays are avoided in dealing with the cases and there is no difficulty in taking correct decision according to the policy of the government already well defined stop para. It has also been noticed that as soon as any fresh instructions are issued on a subject, innumerable demands for the supply of copies of previous instructions are received, which could very well be avoided had the instructions been properly maintained stop. Still, unfortunate position is that when these copies are supplied, the policy instructions are again allowed to go into oblivion stop. This is another tendency which needs to be checked stop para. In the above circumstances, I am directed to request you to pay special attention to the matter and ensure that the policy instructions issued by government from time to time are maintained by the officials concerned with the said subject in an up to date form and they are properly referred to at the time of considering any case connected therewith stop. Any lapse on this account should be seriously viewed stop para. The tendency of supplying copies of the instructions originally issued as a personal property should be discouraged so that unnecessary placement of requisitions thereof every time when the need arises on the subject is avoided stop para. Public speaking is an art, and like every other art, it has to be learnt both in practice and theory. Stop. For a man to say that he will never deliver a speech until he has learnt to speak is like saying that he will never go into the water until he has learned to swim stop. One cannot learn to swim without going into the water, and one can never learn to speak in public without speaking in public stop. In both cases, one has to learn by practice, and no amount of theory without practice will be of any avail. Stop. Para. A speech should always be carefully prepared beforehand. Preparation, including collection, selection, and arrangement. Stop. First, collect materials for the speech, ideas, arguments, facts, illustrations bearing on the subject. Stop. Jot these down as they come to mind. Stop. The select the most appropriate rejection, the rest. Stop. Lastly, arrange the selected thoughts in an orderly and logical plan. Stop. Without all these, the speech will be badly arranged, rambling, disproportionate, and full of repetition. Stop. At first, it is good thing to write the speech out in full. For writing mistaken and exact man. Stop. The written speech, however, should never be learnt by heart. Stop. Memorizing is a fatal mistake. Stop. It turns the speech into a mere recitation, and reciting is not nearly so effective as speaking direct to the audience. Stop. Then the reciter is bound hand and foot by his memorized words, whereas a speaker must be free to alter, omit, or add as he sees the audience requires it. Stop. Lastly, there is the danger of collapse. Stop. If the verbal memory fails and the next sentence is forgotten, the speaker is lost and he may break down in the middle of his speech. Stop. Let the points of the speech and the order in which they come to be depth clear in the mind. The actual words will come as they are wanted. Stop. Para. In public speaking, the management of the voice is very important. Stop. Some speakers speak too low and cannot be heard well in a large hall. Stop. Some shout and their voices are drowned by the echoes. Stop. Para. Some talk so fast that they cannot be followed, and some speak so slowly as to tire their hearers' patience. Stop. The speaker should speak clearly for all to hear. Stop. Thank you.